Here we are on 22nd of February, 391 Selwyn Street. Just coming into the house now. It's about 20 past 3 after the earthquake. I seem to have lost a couple of things here. I think that was quite a few of the wine glasses seem to have tipped off the shelf. A lot of cupboards. Oh look, even the knives have fallen off. Got a little bit of book sorting to do here. Looks like the computer monitor's still up. That's kind of good. Oh look, and that lamp's just on the edge. A few things. These books stayed on the shelf alright. A lot of broken glass. Truly epic.